Hello and welcome everybody. In this video, we will discuss the Sahi Pro feature that will be your smart playback partner, that is the automatic thread allocation or the auto threading functionality. During test automation execution, it is possible that your system gets overloaded due to too many parallel scripts or browser threads launched at the same time. This may lead to higher CPU usage and the system may hang or crash. Sahi Pro version 9.0 also brings you the capability of automatic thread allocation. Sahi Pro's auto-threading capability smartly refrains your browser from launching if the CPU usage is more than a threshold configurable value. It allows to launch a browser only if enough CPU is available. It checks the CPU usage of the machine before launching each browser instance and allows it to launch only if enough CPU is available. This brings stability to your script execution. So here are the two properties related to auto threading. Sahi auto thread enabled. Enabling it provides you the auto thread experience. Sahi threshold CPU usage, where you can specify the threshold CPU usage below which a browser can be launched. The default value here is 90. If auto-threading is enabled, the maximum number of browsers opened will be equal to the count specified as thread number in the Smart Playback in the playback dialog. Check out more details about auto-threading in the links provided below or request for a personal demo by Sahi Pro support. You can give it a try by downloading a free trial version now. Thanks for watching.